Over 300 victims of the Abule-Egba pipeline explosion have been empowered with vocational skills for them to be self-employed after leaving the internally displaced persons camp at Igando. The 4-week intensive training was initiated by the Lagos State Ministry of Women Affairs and Poverty Alleviation in partnership with Lagos State Emergency Management Agency, LASEMA. The Director General LASEMA, Dr. Olufemi Oke-Osonyitolu, said that the state government had provided equipment to all the victims, having acquired necessary skills and vocation in several crafts.
And today we are able to build the capacity and provide this for all of you. I am employing all of you that you should please do this judiciously, and may God be with everybody.
The beneficiaries commended the state government and other stakeholders for their support throughout their stay in the camp.
This training moved me because I know a lot of them will survive to it if they put it, not just to train and go get back home and do. It is only a business and little, with a little money, they'll be able to be on self-employed. So we have to commend the government of Lagos State, especially the governor himself, for this step he has taken.
I appreciate Sanwo-Olu much and also Osonyitolu because they did a lot. They feed us both stomach and also feed us knowledge. They give us what we'll be using. Even when we live here, we have something tangible to build. They give us something we can hold on, something we can brag on, something we can use anywhere we find ourselves.
I learned how to make soap. I've been into the business before coming here. I really appreciate the stakeholder, the Commissioner for Women Affairs, all the DDs, and even my director of LASEMA, Dr. Olufemi, for making it possible for us to be here. Gradually, with what they've been given to us, we hope that we are going to go miles with it.
I learned how to make the throw pillow. My intention is to express further on it. I will work harder and expand it. I don't want to be a job seeker anymore. I want to employ people, and I pray that God Almighty will help me in achieving it.
In addition to the skills acquired, the state government had earlier disbursed a total sum of 19.2 million naira to 300 victims.